What is the difference between GoPro Hero 7, GoPro Hero 7 series? GoPro is keeping the black label for their best cameras, as they did since Hero 3. Interestingly, Hero 7 Black is the only new camera to feature a front screen which was removed from Silver and White edition. But that's not the only difference in body design among those three. How long does a GoPro 7 battery last? How long a GoPro battery will last depends on a number of factors. How long does a GoPro battery last? From 1.5 to 2 hours with the following settings: continual video shooting in 1080p at 60 fps, the most popular video setting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.